The craziest thing happened the other day. I went to Nike to buy some new Air Force Ones, and the order now button took me to Amazon. It's like, I'm just playing with you. That didn't happen, but it's happening to restaurants like yours every single day. Today we're going to talk about the order now button on your website and eliminating friction. Hi, I'm Matt Plapp, the Chief Energy Officer of America's Best Restaurants, and today I want to talk about optimizing some of the more obvious parts of your website. The second most visited place that your brand has, besides your four walls, is your website. The problem is, your websites are not intuitive. You have to think about what your customers are comparing you to. You're being compared to Amazon, Nike, Walmart, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, McDonald's, and none of them give their customers a back door to go somewhere else. None of them have clunky processes. The problem is, you've not invested in technology to make your web experience seamless. Today, let's talk about my top tips for making a seamless experience for your customers. Number one, keep customers on your website. When was the last time you went to the grocery store that there was a back door going down the street? Never. But your website commonly sends people to other places. Keep them on your platform. They should be ordering from you. They should be giving you their information. It should all live within your universe, not on Grubhub or Uber Eats. Don't be lazy. Invest in technology that exists that you own. Number two, make the damn button stand out. The other day, I thought I was in the woods trying to hunt a deer. I couldn't find the order now button on this restaurant's website. It was hidden, and worst of all, it didn't say order now. They had some fancy lingo that matched the genre they were going after. Bullshit. Order now. Click here. Make it simple, make it obvious. Number three, this device. This is what you should be optimizing for first, not my laptop. It's much easier for marketing guys like me to build websites on a laptop, but we've got to optimize them for the phone. That little 2.5-inch screen is where most of your customers are at. So while you're building your website, make sure you're constantly refreshing and looking at this. Is it intuitive? Is it easy? Are the buttons in the same places? Because a lot of times, including with my company, we build stuff on a desktop and forget to look at it often enough on the phone. Bonus tip, constantly check. Website platforms always adjust their templates. I've had websites built one way and a month later, the button is down here. So make sure you're reviewing all of your digital assets on a weekly basis. Reduce the clicks and friction that your website has. I have a brand that I love that I eat at every week. I go to their website, I click order now. I pick the location. I click order now. I click pick up. I order it. I click order now. I click pick up, and then finally the damn order's placed. Go to Amazon, look up a pair of shoes and click buy now. It's done. The technology that they use, you can use as well. The problem is a lot of us aren't buying from ourselves. The other day, I went through one of our marketing funnels and it blew me away. Why are we asking for this? Why does this go here? You need to use the process yourself. So once you build your online ordering, walk through it yourself, order some food and see how seamless it goes. And last but not least, use your own online ordering. I realize there's a lot of shortcuts. It's easier to send the traffic to Grubhub, but why in the hell would you want to send your customer somewhere else? You want them staying on your website, ordering from you, and having a seamless experience. All of these tips I gave you today are all about keeping your customers happy, making it easy to do business with you, making it easy to give you money. A lot of times people get frustrated and leave. That's why Amazon has made technology like the one-click buy. You too can do the same thing. If you like what you saw here today, like, comment, subscribe, and check out mattplapp.com to find out what we're doing at America's Best Restaurants.